Welcome to the Animal's Habit. The science behind birds' nest construction. The resilience of birds' nests in the face of heavy rain and storms is a testament to their remarkable construction and evolutionary adaptations. Location selection of birds are highly selective in choosing the location for their nests. They often pick sheltered spots, such as the crooks of branches or the sides of cliffs, where they are less exposed to the full force of rain and wind. This strategic positioning minimizes the impact of inclement weather. Strategy for materials and design, where birds meticulously craft their nests using a variety of materials, including twigs, leaves, grass, and even mud in some cases. The design is often structured to allow rainwater to drain off rather than collect in the nest. This prevents nests from becoming waterlogged. Birds' nests are woven with great precision, creating a strong and interlocking structure. This weaving ensures the nest can withstand the pressure of rain and wind without falling apart. The tight weave also prevents the entry of water and provides insulation. Many bird species exhibit adaptive behavior during heavy rain and storms. They may huddle together or even cover their young with their wings to shield them from the elements, further safeguarding the nest. Over countless generations, birds that build sturdy nests capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions have a survival advantage. This has led to the evolution of nest-building skills that are inherently resilient to environmental challenges. Parent birds are often committed to protecting their offspring, including their nests. They may continuously repair and maintain the nest during and after storms, ensuring it remains habitable. Bird nests are designed to be lightweight, reducing the risk of being torn apart or dislodged by strong winds. Their compact and aerodynamic shape helps them endure windy conditions. Process of constructing starts when birds construct nests in trees through a fascinating and intricate process that varies across species. Nest building is a critical aspect of their reproductive cycle, providing shelter and protection for their eggs and young. Selecting the site before constructing a nest, birds carefully choose a suitable location. This choice depends on the species, but many birds prefer locations that offer safety from predators and harsh weather conditions. They may select the fork of a branch, a tree cavity, or even build an open nest on a strong branch. Gathering materials. Birds are resourceful gatherers. They forage for various materials, such as twigs, leaves, grass, feathers, moss, and even man-made objects like string or paper. These materials serve specific purposes in the construction of the nest. For example, twigs provide the structural framework, while softer materials like feathers and moss create a comfortable lining. Building the framework. The initial phase involves creating a sturdy framework for the nest. Birds interweave and arrange twigs and branches to form the basic structure. The specific design varies among species, with some creating cup-shaped nests, while others opt for platform-style structures. Laying the foundation. Once the framework is in place, birds use more flexible and softer materials to create a cozy foundation. This can include leaves, moss, and even mud in some cases. These materials are carefully woven together to form a snug and secure base for the eggs. Many bird species take additional steps to decorate and camouflage their nests. They might add items like lichens, feathers, or bits of bark to the exterior to blend in with the surrounding environment, making it harder for predators to spot the nest. After completing the nest, the female bird lays her eggs inside. She usually incubates the eggs, keeping them warm and protected from the elements. During this time, the male may help by bringing food to the female. Once the eggs hatch, the parents continue to care for their young in the nest. They feed the chicks, keep them warm, and remove waste to maintain a clean and safe environment. Some birds may repair or refurbish their nests for future use, while others build entirely new ones for subsequent broods. Unfortunately, nests can be vulnerable to predation by squirrels, snakes, or other birds. In such cases, the nest may be abandoned, and the birds may attempt to build a new one. The fate of a nest varies greatly depending on the species, environmental conditions, and the success of raising their young. Some nests are only used once, while others can be reused for several breeding seasons. The construction of bird nests in trees is a remarkable example of avian ingenuity. Birds exhibit a high degree of adaptation to their environment, using a variety of materials and techniques to build safe, comfortable homes for their offspring, contributing to the perpetuation of their species. The ability of bird nests to endure heavy rain and storms is a result of a combination of strategic nest placement, the use of robust construction materials, intricate weaving, adaptive behavior, and millions of years of evolutionary refinement. These nests represent a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity and the strong survival instincts of avian species. Like, subscribe, share and leave constructive comment on our research.